Hi, and welcome to an overview of Azure Cloud's Assets application, which is used for tracking of ownership of company assets. Assets is a very straightforward application. It has two tabs. In the Manufacturers tab, you define the manufacturers of your assets. You can add the name, the code, and a description. If you need to track additional information about manufacturers, we can add additional fields here on the list so you can track all the data that you need about them. The second tab is the Assets tab, where all the assets are defined, stored, and the assignee of each asset is tracked. When adding a new asset, you can choose the asset category. This list can be changed and customized. You can add an asset number, serial number, who's the manufacturer, other data such as price, date purchased. You can also upload an attachment with the asset and add an asset description. The list of fields here can be customized and additional fields can be made required. Fields can also be renamed if you want to make any changes in the way in which you track data about your assets. From here, you can also immediately choose the assignee, or you can just create an asset that has not yet been assigned. Each assignee is tracked by the app. You can click on the assignee's name to open up the asset details. If you have uploaded an attachment with the asset, it will be in the documents. You can also create notes about the assets, typing in a note and adding an attachment with the note. You can also set up a privacy level of the note if you don't want everybody to see this note. And in the documents, you can also upload additional documents about the asset, not just the one uh, added when creating the asset. You can select the document from your device and set up a privacy level for documents as well. In the assignee history, you'll see historical changes in the ownership of this particular asset. Each time the owner is changed, a new row is created, and you'll know from which date up to which date this person was the owner of the asset. In the grid here of the Assets app, you can do customizations to see the information that you need. If you need additional data about assets, you can add them to your columns list. You can remove some columns that you don't need at the moment. You can group the information based on the columns and filter out information by adding one or multiple filters. Whenever you make a change to your standard view, you can then save this as a custom view and use this to effectively navigate and manage your assets. This was a brief overview of the Assets application, and thank you for watching.